Few days ago, I made a video titled How I Made AI Nigerian Movie Where Every Character Talks with Perfect Lip Sync. You can check out the video after watching this video. I'm going to definitely drop the link in the comment section. Okay, so a few people reached out to me asking if they can actually use one image to achieve different characters, like different characters to appear in that one image, and also to maintain consistent characters and perfect lip sync. I said yes. Absolutely, yes. You can use one image to make different characters to appear and different scenes. I'm going to show you how to achieve that in this particular video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Drop a comment in the comment section. Is a way of triggering algorithm to push videos. Yes, please do that for me as we get started. So first thing first, once you open your Grok AI, this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you open your Grok AI, in case you don't have Grok, just go to Play Store or Apple Store. Kindly search for Grok, G-R-O-K, Grok. You can see here Grok, search for it, and then go ahead to install to your phone or your PC. So once you do that, first thing first, come over to this part. Okay, click on your profile picture, come over to settings, and then come over to the part where you see behavior. And then come down here, you see enable automatic video generation. You see here, if you want each time you bring in any image and then it will auto generate or turn into a video, go ahead to toggle this on. But if you do not want that, you can kindly toggle this off. Okay, so and then for me, I will like it to be on. So once you are done with that, cancel. Now let's get into the practical section. Come down to the part where you see Imagine. Okay, so come down here, click on Imagine, and once you click on Imagine, you see here, it will open this interface. So once this interface has been opened, the next thing you need to do is for you to come down to this part where you see here. But before then, before you bring in your image that you want to work on, let's come over here, come over to this drop down arrow here, click on it, and then go ahead to choose any aspect ratio that you want to use. Okay, any aspect ratio you want to use in your video, and then video resolution as well. You can choose this part, and then so for me, I'm gonna be using 16.9 since I'm going to be posting this on YouTube. So I'm gonna choose this 16.9. So once you do that, the next thing is for you to come over to this part where you see attach. Kindly bring in the image that you want to work on. So I'm going to click on upload a file. Okay, and then I'm going to choose an image. Okay, and then I'm going to import the image to the timeline. Here comes the image that I want to work on. You can see the auto generate video on upload. You can see it's on. So if you want to toggle it off, you can toggle this off from here. Okay, so you wait for it to fully come up. Okay, so let's wait. You can see it's even generating, but I think there is no need for that. Let me toggle it off. You can just do this. Let's do this together. I'm gonna say let two men walk to her. You can see that I said let two men walk to her. So I'm going to click here to send. So let's wait to see the result. Now I want to show you the process on how you can use to get long video. Trust me, after getting the two men walk to her, you can switch to another scene. Let her stand and walk to maybe cinema. Let her walk to supermarket. Let her carry a baby. You can just prompt whatever you want this character to be or whatever you want the scene to look like. You can prompt, and trust me, it's going to happen that way. So the one that I just generated, let's download so that we can see the result. Okay, so you click here. Each time you want to download, just click down here. You can see download. Click there to download. Here is where the new downloaded document will be saved. So click there and then click on it. Let's see.
Oh, what a lovely surprise! Hope we're not interrupting.
Not at all. Please join me. Oh, what a lovely surprise.
Hope we're not interrupting.
Not at all. Please join me.
So you can see that that is how crazy it is. So you just kindly go ahead to save. Okay, so just kindly save. Once you download, it will be saved to your PC. So you can as well continue this way. Maybe if you want to switch, maybe if you want to switch to another scene, so click here to send. Let's see if Grok can actually achieve this. So let's wait for it to generate. So you can see the video is generating. So you wait for it to count from 1 to 100%. So let's wait to see the result. This will definitely blow your mind. Trust me. This is the method you can use to get long video as long as maybe 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, as long as you want. Just continue to prompt and it will maintain consistent character, and then you can just switch to different scenes. So let me just go ahead to play. Let's see what Grok AI is coming up with. So I'm going to click here to play.
Hi, come on over.
Great to see you. Is this seat taken?
Not at all. Please sit. Hi, come on over.
Great to see you. Is this seat taken?
Not at all. Please sit.
Can you see that? Can you see that? I said, let two men walk to her. Like I'm not just doing any difficult, like not maybe too much prompt, not too much prompt, just to prompt, just tell direct what you want. I can just say, let her stand up and walk to a cinema. Okay, so let me say, let me clean this part and tell her to walk to a cinema. Let her stand up and walk to a cinema. So I'm gonna click here to send. Okay, so you wait for it to generate. It doesn't really take time. Trust me, everything about Grok is just so fast and unique. So it doesn't take time, so you have to wait for it to finish counting from 1 to 100%. Okay, so while we are waiting, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Most important, please try as much as possible to leave a comment in the comment section. I would really love to read your comments. And if there is any video you want me to come up with next time, please kindly drop in the comment section. If there is any question you want to ask in the comments. I'm going to definitely reply to you, okay? Thank you, and share this video as well. Let me just kindly go ahead to play. Oh my goodness. She has stood up. You can see this. You can see this. So you just have to click here to download your video. And this is how you are going to. Let me pause first. Let me mute the sound. This is how you are going to be getting them 6 seconds, 6 seconds, till you get up to maybe if you would need it to be 1 minute, maybe 10 minutes. This is how you are going to get them. And afterwards, you go ahead to compile them to become one video. Trust me, it is very simple to get this. You can as well prompt her to walk to a receptionist. Yes, let her stand up and walk to a cinema and talk to a receptionist. Okay, so this thing is not difficult. It's just for you to know what you want, and then you navigate through. So after that, you click here the arrow to send. So it will definitely turn into a different scene entirely, in which she will stand up. She is going to stand up and walk to a cinema and then meet a receptionist, maybe talk with the receptionist. So let's wait. You can see it's counting. You wait for it to count from 1 to 100%. It doesn't take time. So this is how we are going to, I will keep on repeating this part because most people don't know how to get long video using Grok. This is how you are going to prompt, and not only long video that will maintain consistent characters. Okay, consistent character. You see is going to definitely be the same person from the very beginning to the end, just that you have to prompt to get different scenes, different settings. That is what you are going to do. Then you get consistent character and long form video that maintain the same person. So let's play.
All right, let's go to the cinema. Come on, little one. One adult ticket, please. Of course, enjoy the show. All right, let's go to the cinema. Come on, little one. One adult ticket, please. Of course, enjoy the show. All right, let's go to the cinema.
You can see that, right? You can see that. That is how you can achieve. Just kindly go ahead to prompt. See, you can stand here in this same position to prompt, navigate, change to different prompts, different scene. Even though you want another person to appear, two men sitting down with her, whatever you want this character to perform, go ahead to prompt. If you want to redo this, you can kindly click here to redo. If you want to redo this, you can click here to redo. And also, video option, if you want it to be 10 seconds, I think this 10 seconds will come with a price. I'm just thinking because I've not used 10 seconds before. Let me try something. I think it will definitely, I said it will definitely come with a price. Yeah, for you to upgrade to Super Grok. And the same thing with resolution. You can see here this resolution, video resolution. This 720 will definitely come with a price. But you can make your video to be fun, you can make your video to be normal. Yeah, is whatever you want. You can see that is what you can use Grok to achieve. Not only do you use Grok to turn your video into video, you can make it, you can use Grok to get long video and videos that come with the same character that maintain consistent characters. Okay, I really hope you found it helpful. So the next thing that you can do, you can as well bring in your photo. You can see this is one of my videos which I use my photo to achieve. So you can as well bring in your photo. Just kindly click on this attach, click on it, and then upload a file. Okay, for instance, let me use this picture of mine where I was teaching in class. The image is not clear enough, but let's just see what Grok AI is going to transition this image into. So I'm going to make video. Yeah, you can as well type to customize. So if there is anything you want the image to do, you can type to customize. But for me, I don't have anything. I just want to show you something that you can actually use this to achieve. Yeah, you can achieve whatever. So you kindly click here to download. You will see your downloads here. Then you kindly
Okay, so as you see on the board, the key concept is integration. Who can tell me the next step? Anyone? Yes, go ahead. Okay.
you can see that. You can definitely see this. So that's how you can turn your image into a video. And this has not really resembled me. It is because the image is not clear enough for the software to be able to capture my face. Yeah, and you know I did not face the camera when the picture was taken. So that is that. So you have to make sure that if you want to use your image, make sure you are using a clear picture of yours so that it can give you what you definitely want. Okay, so that is another thing that you can do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with a friend, families, share it on your WhatsApp status, whatever platform you want to share the video. Please kindly share the video. I will be very grateful. And please drop your comments in the comment section. A lot of people watch my video without commenting, and you know, comment is a way of triggering algorithm to push your video to wider audience. Please, I really need your comments. Drop your comments, yeah, in the comment section. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.